In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. If you're setting up your bookkeeping or refining your financial reports, the chart of accounts is the backbone of how your transactions are categorized. Getting comfortable with where it lives and how to access what you need will make your accounting cleaner and your reporting far more meaningful. Start by heading to the left pane in Zoho Books. Look for the section labeled Accountant and click it. This is the hub for accounting-focused tools. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This takes you straight to the place where all your accounts live, neatly organized so you can review and manage how money flows through your business. On this page, you'll see your chart of accounts laid out, typically grouped into categories like assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Think of this as the master list that defines where every transaction lands. It's helpful to scan through this list and get familiar with the default accounts. Even if you're just starting out, understanding what's already there helps you avoid duplicating categories and keeps your reports consistent. If you want to dig into the details of any account, simply click on it to open its register. The register is the account's activity log. Here you'll see the transactions that have been posted to that account over time. Reviewing the register is a quick way to confirm whether entries are hitting the right place, spot irregularities, or understand trends, like recurring expenses or seasonal income. Use this view to double-check accuracy and get comfortable with how your day-to-day actions feed into the bigger picture. When you're ready to expand your structure, head to the top right and click the New button to create a new account. This is useful when you need a more specific category to track something important to your business, such as a new revenue stream or a dedicated expense line. As you create a new account, keep your naming consistent and choose an appropriate account type so it shows up correctly on your reports. Clear names and thoughtful grouping will make monthly closes and year-end reporting much smoother. And there you go. With those simple actions, opening the accountant section, selecting chart of accounts, reviewing account registers, and using the new button when needed, you have everything you need to confidently manage your chart. Take a moment to plan your structure, keep things organized, and check in on registers periodically to ensure accuracy. That's all.